my name's Austin Bryce. I'm a buyer specialist with the Howe Group. We are currently standing at our new listing off of Summer Lake Drive in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. This unique two-story split floor plan features multiple sitting areas and even a kitchen on the second floor. Let's take a look at that. This kitchen comes completed with wood countertops, this deep dish sink, a center island, a 6 cooktop burner, the double oven. It even has a laundry chute, which is pretty unique. You don't find this these days. Behind the kitchen, you will find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom right around the corner. Across from the kitchen, you'll find one of the main living areas. On this same side, you'll find a small nook. And right behind the family area will be the master bedroom. On the lower level, you can find a hallway with a bathroom, the utilities, and an extra bedroom. Moving on to the last area of the house, you'll find a single bedroom, a second seating area, and a second living room.